Hey guys, welcome back to another video for Twinsanity. And for this video, we're continuing the journey and we're doing the level Boiler Room Doom. So let's get it. Oh. Okay. Let's get that crate. Oh. Alright. Okay, let's stay still. Oh my. Alright. Come on, Cortex. There we go. Third try. Alright. Now we gotta go get this gem. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. And we got an extra life. Nice. Nice. Alright. That was my fault.
I'm stuck! The greatest evil scientist in the world! Stuck in a pipe. How could things get any worse?
There we go. Nice. This man, Cortex. Are you kidding me? I really lost a life for that. There we go. Checkpoint. Alright, we got a checkpoint. That's all that matters. That was a fail. Alright. Let's see, is there any gems? Oh, look. Another gem. Green. Nice. Right, where's that switch? Oh. Alright. Nice. Oh, there's Cortez. Alright, take care of those mice. Open up that bridge. Alright. Right? How did I lose a life? Cortex died too. Right. Get that gem from me. Oh, what? Okay, you know what? We'll just throw him. Oh, he got it. All right, got the blue gem. All right. I'm back here. All right. Nice, another checkpoint. All right. I think there's another gem here somewhere. Ooh, gotta watch out for the flames. Okay. Oh. Oh, there's another gem. Nice. And Cortex can get it. Look at that yellow gem. There we go. Oh, it's a red gem. I'm colorblind. Oh. There we go. That's one way to do it. Open up the bridge. There we go. So we got 4 gems. Let's get rid of this dude. Alright. And look, another gem. Purple. Nice. Nice. It's all your fault, Cortex. That's all this. Oh, there's a couple more. Oh, and there's the last gem. How are we supposed to get it though? Oh, it must be a switch. Alright, this one. And this. There we go. That was close. That was close. Alright, there's the last gem. That's a yellow gem. Or gold or whatever it's called. Alright. There we go. We don't even need that. Oh! Oh! You did the Shawn Michaels. We're good. Alright. Since we're done with that, get out of here, Cortex. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright. Alright. I wish there was a checkpoint, but it's all good. Alright, it's this. We got all the gems. Okay, Cortex is back to normal. Boiler room doom. Alright, nice. Alright. Alright, we got a checkpoint and we got a crystal. That's 7. Oh, looks like we're approaching a boss fight. Look who it is. An old friend. Single dial. I just tossed Cortex like that.
How's the Yanny? Rumour is you two chumps have got your mitts in some treasure. You know, I want a piece of that pie.
I have no idea what you just said.